If you want to use your Google Pixel 11 as a webcam, what you can do is you can use a USB cable and you can connect your phone to your computer with that cable, just like that. Once you connect, you want to go to notifications and you will find a notification over here from Android system charging this device via USB. You want to tap on this notification and then here you should be able to find the webcam option. So we're going to choose it here. Now, after activating the webcam, you can go to anything that you want to use it for. In my case, I'm going to use OBS as an example, as I use it right now to record everything. So there we go, here we are. And generally speaking, what you need to do is you want to make sure that the Android capture is going to be selected. So in my case, I need to go to the video device, to the video capture device. Over here, we can click on add a new video capture. And now over here, you should be able to find Android webcam. And there we go. As you can see now, we do have this little preview. If I now raise the phone, I can show you my hand. There we go. As you can see, it works just fine. And of course, you can find some additional settings here in there. Like, for example, if you go to configure video, here we have some camera controls, which you might want to use, and some other stuff. So be sure to check that out. Now, this is, of course, in the case of OBS. But in the case of, let's say, some social media apps, like, for example, if you want to use it to, I don't know, to use as a webcam for, I don't know, like WhatsApp video or stuff like that, then, of course, you can also do that. You just have to make sure that the video source is the Android option, and just like we have set it up on OBS. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.